Etsy just made a huge announcement that is going to reward Etsy sellers that are driving their own traffic. Now, before you go running off and say, Scott, I don't know how to run my own traffic, I'm going to share with you how you can take your existing customers, turn them into your own traffic, and then you can get rewarded. And what I mean by rewarded is Etsy has just announced that they're going to give us 4% back if we drive our own traffic. So this program, it's pretty straightforward. Here's what they put in their documentation inside of your seller's account. It says right here, share your link to start saving. Share and Save rewards you for sales you drive to your shop. We'll take 4% of the order total off your Etsy bill on orders placed using your unique link. So that's it. You just have to use that link and the rest is going to automatically happen. The next thing here is, well, how do you share your link? So they're giving you ideas and ways for you to do this. Now, why would Etsy want you to drive traffic to your shop? Well, I mean, come on, let's face it. It's free traffic for them, and they know if someone comes into Etsy, they're probably going to buy something, whether it's now or in 30 days from now, they're going to buy something. So what they're saying here is, okay, include this in social media posts on sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. Add the link to your social media bios. Text or email your link to your friends and family. Include it in your next email newsletter. Add it to your business card or flyers. Well, those are ways that you can drive traffic. And like I said, I'm going to share with you a way that you can do this by what you're already currently doing. All right. I'll share that here in a second. But what I also want to highlight here is there's been some people out there that have said you should not drive your own traffic because Etsy doesn't want you to do that. And here it is clear that is absolutely wrong. That is false. So be careful who you're listening to out there, okay? This is straight from Etsy, and they're saying, hey, we want you to drive traffic to Etsy, and we will actually reward you for that. So here's the steps that they put in their documentation, and it says how it works. Just follow these steps to start saving. Number 1, share your unique links. Use your links whenever and wherever you share your shop or listings. 2, buyers click your link and purchase from your shop. Cha-ching! Check your stats to see how many orders you drove and track your savings. Now, here's the cool thing. You can see that little stats thing there. That's a link that will take you over to your stats, and they are going to show you the breakdown. They're going to show you how many sales were driven from that link. And then the third thing is watch the savings add up. We'll take 4% of the order total off your Etsy bill, see how much you've saved in your payment account, and they link it right there so you can go there and it will show you the breakdown. Here's an example that they put in their documentation. It says, let's break it down. A $100 order, a $6.50 transaction fee, that's what Etsy is charging, and you are going to get $4 as the share and save refund. That's as simple as it is. So you immediately get $4 back. Now here's the important things to note. Buyers must place their order within 30 days of clicking your link for the order to be share and save eligible. However, your trackable links will never expire. Then here, you only get refunded for traffic you drive off of Etsy. While Etsy messages and listing descriptions are still great ways to share details about your items with buyers, you can't save on fees by sharing your trackable link in those places. All right, but here's the deal, and here's what I wanted to share with you. Etsy now allows us to take our customer emails and import them into Aweber. So if you haven't set that up, you're going to want to start setting that up, because here's the cool thing. You can now, yes, get an order from Etsy and you will not get 4% for that. Now, if you send an email to those people that originally came from Etsy, but now are on your email list, and you drive them over to Etsy using your link, you're going to get credit. You're going to get that 4% refund. Listen to what I just said there. You can take what you're doing already. All you need to do is start building the email list of your customers and then start sending them emails back to your Etsy shop. And then the last thing they say here is share and save eligibility per order is determined off of a buyer's last click prior to purchasing. If the buyer visits your shop from an offsite ad, that order won't be eligible for share and save, and the offsite ads fee will apply. Okay, so that's fine. We're talking about taking someone from an email that we draft up to promote something. And then from there, we're going to send it to our email list. And most of the time, they're going to buy. Now, the important thing to note here is they said last click. Well, what I just described to you as far as drafting an email, promoting in that email, that would be their last click. And then if they buy and they order within that time period, you're going to get rewarded. You're going to get the share and save reward. Now, they do have a frequently asked questions area. You probably want to go through this, but the one that I wanted to share with you here today was, when will I get the 4% back? You'll get an instant refund for 4% of the order total when you get an order from one of your share and save links. You'll see it labeled share and save refund in your payment account. So that's pretty cool. You get it immediately, and you're going to be able to see this in your back end. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited about this. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually did a live stream where we go through more strategies on how to drive external traffic. Go here, watch that video next, and I'll see you there.